In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Bybit card on Apple Wallet. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get your Bybit card details. So what I recommend that you guys do is go to the official Bybit.com help center over here. Then you're able to access these articles over here. So there you go. It is going to say view your card details. And this is how the dashboard is going to look like. And basically this is what we need in order to add it to Apple Wallet. So you need to press over here where it says view number and then copy number just like so. Again, it is important that we do this so we're able to add it to Apple Wallet. So once you have the card number and the CVV, basically the three numbers, you are good to go. And then you're able to open up Apple Wallet like you normally would. Once you're here at Apple Wallet, in order to add the Bybit card, it's just like adding any other debit card. You'll need to go to the top menu, press on the plus button, select over here where it says debit or credit card, just like so. Then you need to go ahead and press on continue right over here. So you guys could either scan it, the back of the card if you have it physically, but I'm assuming you guys have the card virtually. And if you have it virtually, do not worry. All you need to do is you need to press on enter card details manually. And then this is where you need to enter the name and the card number just like so. Afterwards, you're able to continue and you should be good to go. Keep in mind that in order for this to work, the names need to match up. If the names don't match up, then unfortunately it is not going to work. So the name on your Apple Pay account has to be the same name as your Bybit card. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.